What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here is a 2019 Toyota Highlander 2019. I'll show you guys how to take off this handle, this mirror, and that trim panel. First thing you guys will need, get a flathead screwdriver. Alright? So hold it open. Take that piece out. This piece right here. Open it up. That's this piece right here. This piece right here. Right here. Tie it up. Unplug it. Take that piece off. Now, one screw right there, one right there, one right there. 3 screws. All those 3 screws are fitted, guys. Get yourself. Take that one out. Get that one out. This piece right here, flathead, right in top. Right out. Comes right out. See the light? Take it out. Inside, right out. Unplug it. Get this. Right there, put it towards you. Just like that. Take it out, hold it, touch it out. Now go up with it. Just like that. Comes off. Okay? Now we're gonna set this right there on the side. Set the bad boy right there. Do this, unplug it. Unplug it. Pull it. Make it loose. Now take the 2 screws from there. 3 screws. Those are number 10, guys. Number 10. Right? 1, 2. Now you want to hold it. Take it out. Push it in, comes right out. Right? Now, I'll show you guys how to get the hand out of it. Get your magnet. Take the screw out. Get your clip puller. Put it right in the groove. Snatch it out. Snatch it out. Comes right out. Alright? Okay guys, that's how you take off the mirror, the handle, the trim panel, and the door molding. With that said, I'll catch you guys on the next quick video, baby. Working and checking out.